I want you to envision what productivity looks like. Is it a nice clean desk with a computer, maybe a planner and your favorite pens? For some people, the perfect workspace might look just like that, but for many others, there's no desk involved. If you're running a business or managing a team that has a deskless workforce, then you're going to love the app that I'm going to share with you today that's going to keep business operations efficient and productive and also make your people feel like they're part of a great culture. The app is called Connect Team, and they're also the sponsor of this video. Did you know that 80% of the global workforce consists of frontline non-desk employees? Many of these people don't have access to company email, which makes it really challenging to run efficient business operations that set your people up for success. And this is why Connect Team, the world's leading employee management platform, becomes an amazing resource for the deskless workforce. Connect Team is the all-in-one employee app that allows you to manage your business operations in a click. Communicate, engage, retain, and train your employees all in one place, automating manual tasks to save time and eliminate mistakes hassle-free. Maybe your business is in cleaning, hospitality, or manufacturing. You need a solution that's going to be conducive to the on-the-go nature of your work. You can't run operations on a bulletin board and text messages, but you probably have some people that aren't super tech savvy. This is the perfect opportunity to create an engaging employee culture without letting anyone slip through the cracks or feel out of the loop. Connect Team is an app that employees will use on their mobile devices. Not only is it easy to set up, but the user experience is intuitive for both employees and managers. And if you are a manager like me, you love having the app on the go, but you might do your best work when you can get back to your desk to use your laptop. There's an amazing user experience of Connect Team on desktop, and you can easily email yourself the link so that you can populate that interface in a place that might be easier for you to get that admin work done. Once you've downloaded Connect Team to your phone, it's really easy to log in as a team member or start the company up if you are just getting things going. I'm going to create a new company here. When you're just getting the company set up, make sure you share what industry you're in. This way, Connect Team can customize a little bit of the experience for you to get things going a bit faster. Next, you'll add some custom features you want to make sure that you will see based on how you're running your team. Everything from operations to communications to HR. As soon as you get started, you will have an amazing interface here to really introduce you to all of the opportunities to leverage Connect Team. Go through the tutorials for everything, including the features that you chose upon starting it up. One of the first steps I recommend is to make sure you add your team to the company. This way they can get started, get a feel for Connect Team, see how they can leverage it to communicate better with the organization they're working for. And one of the first things that we'll do by adding our people to the company in Connect Team is get them scheduled to get some work done. If your team members need to clock in and out for work, then they're going to love the time clock feature. It is literally as simple as starting your shift. They can specify what job they're working on to make sure that all the details are covered for management. And the clock starts. They can add any notes that are necessary, and there is a log of what has happened throughout the day as well. And if location of the job is important for your organization, the time clock feature also helps you keep track of where the work was done based on where the mobile device was detected. Your team member will be able to confirm their hours as they put in their time clock entry to make sure you have the most accurate information when it comes time to take care of payroll. Managers can head to the Assets tab and go to Job Scheduling to get all of the employees scheduled for the work that they need to get done. Because the entire experience is on this app for the on-the-go team, from clocking in and out to all projects, tracking the tasks that need to get done, looking to see where they're supposed to be if there's multiple locations for their type of work. It makes it so much easier to corral all of that data for management when it comes time to run payroll. You can easily export their timesheets and you'll have the most up-to-date information, which keeps you from having to go out and finding your employees and asking, do you remember where you were? Did you write that down? Is it on a piece of paper? That's so old school. And this is really simple for everyone on the team. Your team members are going to easily log in with the phone number that you put in for their user data. And because your employees are probably getting more productive with their work-life balance, they're going to love the fact that they can go into the app really easily to make requests that are appropriate, whether those requests have to do with a certain shift or time that they're going to need off from work. Let's put in a time off request for the team member. We're going to go on sick leave because we didn't wake up feeling very good today. All day, I need 8 hours, and we're going to send that for approval. When you're in the admin tab, you're going to see in manage time off that you have a notification. So we're going to check the request and decide whether or not we will approve or decline, easily communicating that to the team member. We talk a lot about productivity on this channel, so I spent most of my time showing you the app on those little details about the calendar, from time off to when and where work needs to get done. But there are so many other amazing features to stay engaged with your team thanks to leveraging the app Connect Team. And if you think it's out of your budget, guess again. You can try the free version of Connect Team for up to 10 users. Or you can do a 14-day trial with no credit card required. Increasing company productivity is so important, not just for the organization, but for the people who are doing their best work for all of these hours that they put in. So having the resource that makes sense for you is very important. We can't all have the desk or the perfect computer or the different channels to communicate when we're out in the field and getting things done. So if Connect Team makes sense for how you and your team do their best work, I highly recommend that you give them a shot. There is a link in the description down below so that you can learn more about how to get started today. Tell me more about your team. How do you do your best work? Leave a comment in the description down below so that we can help each other learn what the best way to stay productive is.